Welcome back to the class. I'm Lana in the Club 645, place where we become flexible, strong, and healthier. Today we're gonna have a 10 minutes full body stretch and tone flow. Here we go. We're gonna start from active child pose. So I highly recommend to flex your feet slightly, open your knees to the sides, tuck your tailbone up, and drive yourself forward to the active baby pose. You're gonna take inhale, open your mouth and exhale. One more time, inhale. And be ready for the wonderful day. Exhale. With a new inhale, we're gonna tuck your tailbone in and round the spine, and we're gonna go almost to the cobra position, but in the last moment we're gonna tuck tailbone up and come back to the active child pose. And four more. Inhale, tuck tailbone, come back, active child pose. And three, and two, and one. And last but not least, we go now all the way to the cobra on a comfortable position. Now you have some time to adjust, point your toes. Drive yourself to the position where you can breathe. You're not suffering here, but you feel slight stretch here and you're opening your chest. And we're gonna lift our shoulders to the ears and push them back. And four, and three, and two, and one. Inhale, cobra, look up. Exhale. Well done. Now we're gonna lower ourselves on the elbows and we're gonna activate our toes. We're gonna bring them on tippy toes and point. Tippy toes and point. And six, try to keep your knees straight. And as well, you can feel that your glutes is working right now. Well done. Three, two, keep them activated. And now we're gonna do like push-ups to the cobra. Don't suffer here. Yeah, just push yourself to the comfortable position, but not in an area where you feel like your spine gonna crack right now. And two, and one. And from here, we're gonna do one push-up, and then from the knees, we're gonna go kind of like a 2/ push-up, ending or like a full plank with a big protraction of the shoulders. So you kind of really pushing the floor away and you round. And driving yourself all the way down. And again, push up to the cobra and roll yourself up. Well done. 6 more. And while we're doing it, I will share a little news. Now I'm gonna teach in Sarajevo. So if you're in Bosnia or you're gonna come visit this beautiful country as well, you can meet me and we can do some workout together. As well, I will explore soon because so far I'm looking for apartment there and you know, like my places, studios, maybe if you've been or you could recommend me some. And 3 left, push up and plank. So you are welcome to help me. Or if you are from Sarajevo, that's super. Let's get in touch. Well done. And inhale, full cobra. Now activate your legs. Lift yourself up. Exhale, drive yourself to the downward facing dog. And now we walk. I love to use this pro tip from choreographers because I'm a choreographer as well. So we step each time on a new dot, unexplored one, on your foot. And seeing that, down facing dog feels more interesting. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift your heels up. Exhale, drive them down. One more time, inhale. Exhale. Super, lower yourself on the knees. Bring right arm up. and take inhale. Exhale, hold. One more time. Inhale. Hold position, not the breathing. And exhale. We're gonna dive under the arm, or you can stay here, or you can extend the arm. And kind of look under your armpit. 4, 3, 2, 1. Grip maybe connect your palms and push yourself more away. As well, you can get it more harder, but I would recommend you to keep your arm here. That's a little bit more interesting. And then first hold this position. For me, this position is harder than straight leg. So let me know how it's for you. Whoop. I'm a human, and since I'm in a moving process, you can feel my body also stressed because, you know, like this, looking for apartment, staying in an Airbnb, and it's like quite stressful for me. But routine is back because we are together. Yes. And we switch. Other arm up, twist, inhale. Exhale. Last but not least. Exhale, twist. Maybe extend the arm. Wrist lock. And extend the arm. And the balance. Extension. Slowly drive yourself back. And Anandasana, puppy pose. Inhale. Exhale. Well done. Now we go on the knees. And could be right foot first. And now we're going to play with the tailbone in and out. In and out. 2, 1. And now we're going to drive it forward and go all the way to the dip squat. Maybe add the heel up or stay here or with the heel and come back. And again, relax, heel, or just breathe in this position. Come back, and when you come back, try to lock your tailbone. One more. Super, and we're gonna go to the slide twist, like this, and come back. So the hips stay the same work, but we add in on the top the twist. And when you relax in the lounge, you look central. And twist, and center, twist. Well done. Now inhale, arms up. Activate the back toe. Cactus 4, 3, 2, 1. Maybe some twist here. You can lower the knee or you can stay on active legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the knee and turn yourself to me. We go to the nice side stretch. Inhale. Look up, open the chest more. Exhale. Inhale. Maybe bring the leg up, or you can be in a side plank. Both variations are very nice. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're ready to the left side. So first we're playing just with the tailbone. It's might feel like micro movement, maybe quite boring sometimes, but since you're gonna do it daily, already in a week, you're gonna feel the difference in all deep amplitudes with your hip control. And as well, you might notice how your diaphragm gonna open and you're gonna breathe more. That means more oxygen for the brain and more creativity gonna come to you. Well done. And hands in a prayer. On the top we twist. Down, up and twist. Down, up and twist. Last but not least. And to the lounge. Cactus. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You can add a little bit this playful moment with dividing your weight more to the front leg, more to the back. And twist. You can lower the knee. Find your perfect twist. Maybe add the second leg as well active. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we open to the center. Go to the nice side stretch. Lateral line as well, very important for us, especially to open our hips, because open hips, that lower back without pain, or maybe stay like this, or in a side plank, but it's really important to keep both sides equal. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. And now the challenge of this class gonna be 10 pistols. And it's like the most hardest exercise for myself. And I'm really bad at it. I'm shy a bit about it, but so we need a chair, or maybe you don't need it at all. But I highly recommend to keep one thing in mind. It's not important how far this leg, this leg which we're standing on, and we're gonna sit on. Yeah, this leg is not important how close to the sofa or something like that. Don't think about it. Think to keep this leg in front, pointed toe, straight knee, or at least that leg always straight and it's not touching the floor. And second important momentum for us now, how slow we can sit. And then when you use this momentum to keep yourself up, since you catch you as well up. But it's less important. Important thing, straight leg. And before you drop yourself on something, yeah, like, not do like this. Like this, we're not developing. Like that, we getting somewhere better for us. So let's do 10 and up, 9 and up, 8, super, 7, who knows, maybe soon I'm gonna count in Bosnian or in Danish actually. I could before, I could now, but I'm afraid to. 5 left, 4, 3, or we can do a 4 languages class. Let me know in the comments, I will try. And 2, and 1. Switch the leg. That's gonna be your homework. Try to do it 7 days, every day. 10 on each leg, maybe you can start from 5. If it's too low for you, you can bring something and just, for example, be right here. Yeah, just like this is also work, but if it's too easy, then you need to go lower. 7 and 6 and 5 and 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. And we're gonna walk all the way to the cobra. Look back, twist, center, as a back, twist, lie down on the belly, turn yourself on the back, hug right knee, a little bit budget massage, some circles, exhale, twist, switch. If you want a little bit more, you can find other video like relax flow or hip mobility flow, or as well I have a split class, and as well I have many more coming soon. Hug both knees, inhale, give yourself a hug, inhale, thank yourself for this practice, I thank you for the practice, and have a lovely day. Thank you. Exhale.